Hi guys, welcome to the third lesson of the series Learning Mithila Painting for Beginners. I have covered how to draw three variations of peacock and parrot each. Basically, Mithila painting dates way back to ancient times and hence the rustic charm which you see. It is very close to nature. You can see a lot of plants, flowers, sun, moon, tree, animals, lotus in almost all of the paintings around, even the ones with the modern touch. I will try to cover as many elements as possible in my upcoming videos, and also after my next tutorial I'll again make a painting using all the elements which I've covered till now. If you guys like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends who want to learn Mithila painting. It would also be encouraging if you guys try different variations of what I teach and share that with me. I will certainly give you guys a shout out, and thanks for watching. Happy learning.
You gave me the letter, I guess it was July. You said we'll be better, but I don't know why. I should be so lonely when I close my eyes. Imagined you're mine. Sometimes I feel tired of my heavy thoughts. It's like start a fire when we're on the boat, and I'm on my own now, wasting my nights without you behind. Like you used to say, I find these old letters with a heart round my name. I see it so clearly that you won't believe. I just wanna stay here with you, my life. You gave me the letter, I guess it was July. You said we'll be better, but I don't know why. I should be so lonely when I close my eyes. Imagined you're mine. Sometimes I feel tired of my